So today I'll be showing you how I made this Prepoo oil treatment for my hair. And this oil helps with hair growth, it helps to grow bad patches, bad spots, helps with healthy scalp, helps to soften the hair and strengthens the hair. So for this recipe I'm going to be using eucalyptus essential oil, onion, flaxseed, rosemary leaf, and then you can use another carrier oil of your choice. So I'm going to cut the onion. Onion has a lot of good benefits for the hair, especially hair growth, and this is because of the high sulfur content in it. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead to cut the onions, and then I'll add the other ingredients. I use a spoon of each, so depending on the quantity of oil you want to use, right? And then one thing for this recipe, I've made onion like extracted like recipes before, but I've never fried it for the recipe. I usually use onion juice, but today I decided to fry it, and you guys will see the result. So yeah, this is it. This is this thing. Then I realized I put in too much oil in the pan. The oil was looking a little, but when I added those things, so I decided to add extra, right? Still depends, yeah. You can try to leave it like this, but me, I love the ingredients to be a lot in the oil, so that the oil will be thick and to have lots of the ingredients and benefits, yeah. So I added more rosemary, and then I decided to go ahead to cut another onion, and I added another onion, and I'll just go ahead to add it. So by the way, if you're enjoying this video and you're learning from my content, please do subscribe if you have not, like and share my video. Thank you. If you also love to learn more about hair products from Nourishes, you should just check out my page. I'm a from Nourishes School, and you can follow me there or send me DM to take any of my paid courses. I just go ahead to put it on fire, like I'll put it on low heat. So actually, as I said, I've not fried the onion before for a recipe. I actually forgot that. You know, when we are making food and we fry onion and you leave it on for longer to start burning, right? That did not even occur to me. So you guys are going to see the result of this experiment, right? So after I got back a few minutes later, I saw this. I was like, in fact, it looks like the house was burning. Don't try this recipe if you have a smoke detector in your house. So yeah, this is it, and I still let it for a little while. Just put it on low heat because I wanted the other ingredients to be extracted, right? And this is it. After pouring it to my glass beaker, so I'm going to put it inside water so that it can cool down, or you can put it in the fridge. Anyway, I just wanted it to cool down, and then I'll go ahead to sieve it. And after sieving, I will just pour it inside my applicator bottle that I want to use to apply to my hair. If you are using a spray bottle, you can also use a spray bottle, which is also very nice if you are trying to apply it to your hair strands. Just make sure you sieve it and you get everything out of the mixture. So this is a close-up of the oil, and you can see it's looking good. So I'll just put it inside my bottle, and then I'll just apply it to the hair, right? So this is it inside the bottle, yeah, and you just apply it as a Prepoo treatment before washing your hair, then you leave it for 30 minutes before rinsing off. And oh my god, you will totally love the results on your hair. Use this often, like every wash day, and then you will see the massive results. And let me know your review. Thank you so much for watching. If you like to subscribe, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you in my next video. Bye.